Oh, was it recording? It is. Hello. This is my 7 segment in Minecraft. Just made it. Thought it would be a fun thing to try since I learned how to do this in ECE. And it works. This is it right here. I guess I'll start by explaining the components of it. One day was just like, I wonder if I can make an AND gate in Minecraft. And I was like, okay, let's try that. And yeah. And both of these switches need to be on for it to light up. That's an AND gate. Power goes here, powers the piston, and then when it's active, it gets pushed here, and then if you power it again with another input, the power gets sent through here, through this block to this extender, or I forgot what it's called, receiver? A repeater, and then it gets to power something on. So that's an AND. Then you have an OR, which is pretty simple. Basically, input goes, powers into these blocks, and then either one of these blocks can power this output, and it lights that up. And then the cool thing you can make in Minecraft also is a NOT. So here this is off, but this is on. Kind of switches with the redstone, which is always on. Unless you power it, it powers off. So these three basics, you could make this. For this project, you need 4 inputs. So we have input W, X, Y, Z. Color coded them to make it easier, but then also made like 4 rails. So writing it out was going to be a little easier. They just go down this way. But there's 7 segments, so 7 outputs needed from these 4 inputs. This is the first one. Kind of just labeled all of them with what it is. But this is segment A. That is its kind of formula. All the components here. This is segment B. Where's segment C? Oh, segment C is easy, so this one's a little smaller than the others. Segment D is one of the biggest, so it's taking up quite a lot of space. Segment E, F, and then G, also quite a large one. But you can kind of see what I did here from like all the rails going down. The repeater is kind of just like extending the signal. Kind of like the wire that goes over, just kind of like how you would draw it over going off one of these rail lines or going over it. Kind of also the same, just boop, and then it powers into an AND or an or ANDs and then ORs at the end. And then all of them finally then get sent a long way with a lot of buffers into the back of the 7 segment. And so I kind of just mirrored it because this is the back side of it, so to make it actually look like it's proper. I have A, B, C, D, E, F, and then G, and then it's just a little bit of a mess back here, but in the end, this is the product here. So all of it's off right now, and we have 0. I have time set to... Oh, no. Midnight is just so it can see better. But 0, because none of them are on right now, so it's 0. But then Z is 1. Oh, whoops. Takes a little while because there's a lot of buffers, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All of them are on. 8. Lastly, 9, and kind of stops there. The circuit's not designed to do anything more than that. That's all the numbers that could be represented, or digits from 0 to 9. So, but yeah, it's a cool thing that I just in a couple of hours used to watch videos of people like making complex like designs and like computers. Like I could never do that. That's a genius thing you need to do. But here I am, ECE 171, and built a project in Minecraft of all places. That's pretty cool. Yeah. That's it.